Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Short and dictation from Daily Dawn editorial dated 4th April 2024. Report by Khurram Hussain. Start. Waking up the World Bank. Full stop. Words only matter when they are spoken at the right time. And for too many years now, the World Bank has been saying the right thing but at the wrong time. Full stop. It is hard to get this thought out of one's mind when reading through their latest Pakistan Development Update PDU. Full stop. The document rightly points out that Pakistan is emerging from a period of extreme volatility and a fragile stability is only just beginning to strike root. Full stop. Its projections show that growth will remain subdued for at least another 2 years and inflation will remain high even as it comes off its peak. Full stop. Stop for a moment to think about this, Pakistan is indeed emerging from a period of absolutely historic volatility that saw the country teeter on the edge of default twice, first in the summer of 2022 and then again in the summer of 2023. Full stop. It saw inflation skyrocket to a historic 38% in May of 2023. Full stop. The same period saw the most troubled IMF program Pakistan has ever had, with 3 false starts. Full stop. Through this period, the country saw 4 finance ministers come and go, with each one blaming his predecessor for leaving behind a mess. Full stop. I cannot recall another period quite like this. Full stop. Things were bad in the late 19s, with sanctions and a coup. Full stop. They were bad in 2008 with a rising arc of terror attacks and the approach of the great financial crisis. Full stop. But still, nothing quite compared to the volatility we have just started to emerge from. Full stop. Having noted this, let us ask a simple question. Full stop. If we go back and read the World Bank's PDU documents from 2021 onwards, when this volatility began, how good a job do they do of alerting the reader to the fact that the economy is pregnant with ferocious pressures that can unleash the most epic volatility the country has ever seen. Full stop. The volatility began in May 2021 when the exchange rate started to come under pressure and important inflation readings began to burst their confines and show up across a broader range of goods. Full stop. Both these trends accelerated from that month onwards to reach historic proportions by May 2023. Full stop. Yet reading through the PDU released in April 2021, you get no idea that the economy teetered on the edge of a storm. Full stop. It is true that the pandemic continued to cast its shadow in those days, but the signs that the economy had been pumped far beyond and its ability to bear were all there. Full stop. The central bank had pumped a monetary stimulus which the report says equaled 3.8% of GDP, but would later grow to nearly 5% of GDP, full stop. Money supply growth was like a runaway train at the time, and the fiscal equation was in severe disarray as the government focused more on handing out goodies under the cover of a COVID stimulus. Full stop. Yet the report talks about the inflation as if it had already peaked and was set to decline from that month on. Full stop. It says a fragile stability has been found and the only uncertainty plaguing the outlook is another COVID wave. Full stop. This was on the eve of the most epic storm of economy volatility Pakistan has ever endured. Full stop. In 2022, the bank acknowledged the inflationary tide that had begun to sweep the country, and made its first reference to the build-up in domestic demand pressures as a contributing factor, and said these were in part due to accommodative fiscal and monetary policies. Full stop. This was too little, too late, full stop. By April of 2022, the economy was already a runaway train and the volatility was sweeping all before its path, full stop. This was the time for the government to hear loud and clear, in no uncertain terms, that the failure to rapidly unwind the fiscal and monetary stimulus administered, full stop, after COVID was giving rise to epic inflationary pressures, and fueling a malign type of economic growth that was destabilizing itself as it proceeded, full stop.